Pizza is an Italian dish typically consisting of a flat base of leavened wheat-based dough, topped with tomato, cheese, and other ingredients. Baked at high temperature, traditionally in a wood-fired oven. Also, catering is the process of preparing food or providing food services to clients at remote locations such as restaurants, concerts, and hotels. But moreover, the art of catering goes beyond providing food and beverages. It extends to the ambience of the eating place and the quality of service received. Hospitality is the smell of our food. Service is the taste of our food. Karibuni sana muonje mapishi bora kabisa ya Cambridge Institute of Tourism Management Tanzania yaliyoandaliwa na mashefu wataalam kabisa kwenye tasnia hii ya hotel management.